Ever wondered why Sardinia, a picturesque island in the Mediterranean, is home to the highest number of centenarians per capita in the world? This intriguing mystery has been the focus of many researchers over the years. Welcome to the world of blue zones, specific regions around the globe where people live remarkably longer and healthier lives. Sardinia, particularly its mountainous villages such as Avoda, Villagrande Striscali and Arzana, is one of these fascinating zones. The Sardinian secret to longevity is believed to be a harmonious blend of various factors. An active lifestyle, a strong sense of community, and a stress-free life play a significant role. But perhaps, the everyday cuisine takes center stage. In Sardinia, the farm-to-table ethos is not a trend, but a way of life that has been passed down through generations. A diet rich in plant-based foods, legumes, whole grains, and locally sourced products that are high in antioxidants and low in processed sugars and fats. It seems that the secret to Sardinian longevity might be hidden in their diet. Let's explore the top 10 foods that Sardinians consume regularly, contributing to their impressive longevity. Beans. These humble legumes, high in fiber and protein, are a cornerstone of the Sardinian diet. They're a heart-healthy food that also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Whole grains. Nutrient-dense foods like barley, oats, and ancient grains are a common sight on the Sardinian table, promoting a healthy digestive system. Fruits and vegetables. Sardinians enjoy a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, each brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them a key component of their diet. Olive oil. This monounsaturated fat is used liberally, adding flavor while offering heart-healthy fats. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and other seeds, rich in protein and healthy fats, play a vital role in their diet. Local fish. Sardinians consume fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health and supplying essential nutrients. Wine. Cannonau. Red wine, consumed in moderation, features among the top 10 foods for its heart protective properties. Goat's milk and cheese. Pecorino cheese, made from grass-fed sheep's milk, is a good source of calcium and protein. Honey. This natural sweetener, obtained from the autumnal flowering of the strawberry tree. This surprisingly bitter not-sweet Corbezzolo honey used sparingly, boasts antioxidant properties. Herbs and spices. Utilized to add flavor to meals, they also have anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these foods into your diet could be a step towards a healthier, longer life. But food is just one part of this longevity puzzle. The way Sardinians consume these foods, their eating habits, and the social aspect of their meals also play a crucial role. Let's explore more in the next scene. Sardinian cuisine is a delightful blend of simple ingredients and robust flavors, contributing to their health and longevity. Let's dive into the culinary culture of this blue zone, starting with a traditional soup known as minestrone di fagioli. This hearty blend of beans, vegetables, and herbs, simmered to perfection, is a great source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. To prepare this soup, start by soaking the beans overnight, then cook them with a medley of vegetables and herbs until tender. Once the soup has thickened, serve it hot. Simple, isn't it? The key to this soup is in the simmering. It takes a bit of patience to get it right. Let's move on to the next hearty recipe, fregola con arcelle. Fregola is a type of pasta similar to couscous, and arcelle are small clams. This dish is a beautiful marriage of land and sea, offering a nutrient-rich meal full of protein and minerals. To make fregola con arcelle, cook the fregola pasta separately. In another pan, sauté garlic and chili in olive oil. Add the clams and cook until they open. Combine the clams with the cooked fregola, finish with a sprinkle of parsley, and voila! A delicious, wholesome meal is ready. Finally, let's talk about a traditional Sardinian dessert that's been a favorite for generations. Cedars. These are sweet cheese-filled pastries, fried and then drizzled with local honey. The contrast of the tangy cheese and sweet honey makes for a unique dessert experience. Preparing cedars involves making a pastry dough, filling it with a lemon-scented cheese filling and frying until golden. Once cooked, they're topped with a generous drizzle of honey. The result is a dessert that's not just sweet, but also packed with essential nutrients from the cheese and honey. Each dish is a testament to the Sardinian way of life, where food is not just about sustenance, but also about enjoyment, community, and health. Sardinians show us that wholesome, nutrient-rich diets, strong community ties, and regular physical activity are not just about maintaining good health, but also about fostering an environment for a long and fulfilling life. Embracing these aspects of the Sardinian lifestyle can serve as a powerful model for those of us seeking not just to add years to our life, but life to our years. In the end, it's not just about living longer, but living well. And Sardinia, with its centenarians and their lifestyle, provides a compelling blueprint for the same.